Memory is a function for you to share your precious memories, your most valuable memories with your families and friends, or if you choose not to, you can keep it as a private social media for yourself as well. You can share these memories with them through their tribe as long as they have accepted to be in your tribe. You can also view their memories if they have sent you a request to be in their tribe. So to create your own memories, to start off with creating your first memory, you can either access through the dashboard if you have not created a memory yet over here, the task list, or you can go straight to the memory tab function and just click on the purple plus button to start uploading your first memory. You start by giving your memory a title. For example, the current title I have is Workplace Fun with my colleagues. And you could also write a short story or a short caption about what the memory is about. You're done, you can actually indicate also when this memory has happened. So this particular memory was last year. And you can upload 4 types of multimedia. So the first one is your image, followed by video, voice recording, and also even a PDF file. So I'll start by uploading pictures. You can upload any videos also, a voice recording, or a PDF file if you would like to. For now, let's go with pictures first. So once you're done, after you've keyed in your title and your caption, simply just press next, and you can choose who to tag. You can either tag through groups or you can tag through individual. So I choose to tag 2 of my colleagues and I'll post. So you see in your memories, these are all the memories that you have previously uploaded. So you can preview them.
Hello everyone. Chinese cuisine has been always an important part of the show.
You can also preview your PDF. Next, you can also click on the Share With You tab, whereby you can see the memories that other people have shared with you. So this is a very old photo album that my friend has actually shared with me. And next, we have the time capsule. Creating a time capsule is as simple as just clicking the plus button. Same thing, write your title. And then you add the memories that you currently have into this time capsule. You can choose multiple memories to upload. Once you have decided, you press next. You choose who you would like to tag, or if you would not like to, you can skip tagging. For me, I would not want to let them know about the time capsule. I would like to be a surprise, so I'll just skip tagging. And then you choose the recipient. Tag. Followed by that, you can also choose when you would like to release this time capsule. So is it by a particular milestone? Since it's a birthday present, I choose to release on his or her birthday. Alternatively, I can also choose to release this time capsule on a particular date if it's for another occasion. Once you're done choosing, you can click Save. And here you go. Time capsule has been created. Once it has been delivered, the app will let you know that it has been delivered. So it's very important for you to know that at the previous time whereby we talk about tribe, to key in the correct details in terms of the birthday so that the system can help to automate the process to send it upon their birthday. So that's all for memories. Thank you very much.